Welcome to Cooking with Ghokivi. Today, we are making a quick and easy chicken dish using just 6 ingredients. For this recipe, I am using 500 grams of chicken, 5 cloves of garlic, half tablespoon of turmeric, 2 king chili, 1 diced tomato, and salt to taste. First, make a paste of garlic, green chili, turmeric, and salt. Blend them together. Next, fry the chicken piece until they are brown and cooked through. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the oil and set it aside. Drain the cooking oil to minimum, leaving just enough to fry the paste. Now fry the garlic and green chili paste in the remaining oil until it's aromatic and slightly brown. Add the fried chicken back into the pan and stir well to coat the chicken with the paste. Finally, add the diced tomato and let the mixture simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until the tomato has softened. And that's it. Our delicious chicken dish is ready. Serve it with hot simmer rice or a standalone dish. Enjoy. Thank you for joining us on Cooking with Ghokivi. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe for more quick and delicious dishes. See you next time. Bye bye.